In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestions on this device. So first of all, just enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and pick system. Now go to languages and input, and pick sorry for that, on-screen keyboard obviously, and go to Gboard. Now go to text correction, and you will find show emoji suggestions here. So unless this indicator is active, just mark it to turn it on, and whenever you'd like to switch off this function, just tap here to turn off emoji suggestions. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.